Good morning and namaskar. Today we will take a look at Escorts Limited with reference to its Q2 FY21 results. Escorts is a leading engineering conglomerate. It has got basically three divisions: Agri Machinery Division, EAM, Escorts Agri Machinery Division; Construction and Material Handling Equipment, ECE; Railway Equipment, RAD, RED, Railway Equipment. So, EAM, ECE, RED, three divisions. So, it manufactures and markets a diverse range of equipment like cranes, loaders, vibratory rollers, and forklifts. The company today is the largest pick and carry hydraulic mobile crane manufacturer. The company's product range includes tractors, farm track, power track, escort, engines, implements, and trailers, lubricants, ECEL, hydraulic mobile cranes, compactors, forklifts, articulated broom cranes, railway equipment, and auto components. So many, and every year they are introducing new ones. New product division is there, NPD. Management consists of Nikhil Nanda, Chairman and Managing Director; Nitish Nanda, a whole-time Director; Shailendra Agarwal, Executive Director. Now let us take a look at the quarterly results. Net sales are 1,654 crores in Q2 FY21. In Q1, that is previous quarter, 1,089 crores. Latest 1,654, previous 1,089, and year ago quarter 1,334. So Q2 has clocked 24% growth year on year and 52% growth quarter on quarter. So impressive growth in Q2. Final net profit is 227 crores, but previous quarter Q1 was just 92 crores and year ago quarter 102 crores. So year on year growth is 123%. And quarter on quarter is still more, 145%. So net sales have grown by 24% year on year. Final net profit has grown by 123% year on year. Equity 134.83 crores. Basic EPS is 23.61. That also has grown 99% year on year and 119% quarter on quarter. So impressive results for Q2, better than Q1 and better than Q2 of last year. Market price currently is at 1,233, something like that. 52-week low was 527. 52-week high was 1,343. Now current market price is close to 52-week high. Will it cross it? Likely. If market conditions are good, it may very easily cross 1,343 and go much beyond that, also possible. But it depends on the market conditions, investor sentiment, etc. Price earning is moderate at 13. That is, I base it on the current market price and the current quarterly EPS annualized. 13. So monthly technical rating is very bullish. Now if you look at the volumes, so Escorts agri equipment is 24,441 units, year on year up by 23.8%. Construction equipment division ECE 821 only, it is down by 13.1%. Railway equipment division RED 160 crores, year on year up by 26.4%. Let us also take a look at annual results, sales and profits. Sales are 5,830, 5,810. Previous year 6,262. So March 2020 was slightly lower than the previous year but higher than the other previous years. 5 years ago it was hardly 3,431, March 2016 year. Now March 2020 is 5,810, reasonably good but less than March 2019 year. Net profit 472 crores in March 2020 year, 478 in the previous year, 472 March 2020, 478 previous year, and 5 years ago it was just 88 crores net profit. So from 88 crores it has jumped to 472 crores. That is very impressive. So in the last 5 years the jump was reasonably good. Now if you look at cash flows, operating activities 797 crores, investing activities, operating activities and income. Investing activities is an expenditure 421 crores, financing activities expenditure 300 crores. Net cash flow is 75 crores, that's very good. Now historical prices, if you see, 3 years before it was 735, 2 years before 682, 1 year before 646, 3 months before 1103. So it has been improving, but it was not a multi-bagger. It was a dividend paying company constantly. 2020 they have given 25%, 2019 25%, 2018 20%, like that. A year prior to that 15%, 12% and so on. So dividend payout is increasing. Now shareholding pattern, if you look at that, promoters holding is 36.59%, not very big but not low. Pledge is 0. Debt also is very low. So the promoters have not pledged anything, so that's very good. Debt also is very low. Nikhil Nanda, CMD, says the agri sector has been on unprecedented boom. In fact, never before like that. That's what he says. Maintaining highest safety measures, etc. The demand for our tractors has so far outpaced our supplies. Look at that. Now, demand is more than supplies. So, the rains all over the country and fillip given by the government to the agri sector have resulted in a very big boom in tractors and farm equipment supplies. So the momentum in agriculture sector will continue to be supported by positive macroeconomic factors. Supply chain challenges will subside after a month or so. Because of COVID, supply chain challenges are still there to some extent, but they will go. So the company has started witnessing some positive development in the construction and railway equipment division, RED, and ECE divisions. Hopefully, we'll see a full recovery soon. In all our business segments, we are very optimistic for the coming quarters. That's what Nikhil Nanda feels. Tractor segment has actually grown year on year by 41.4%. North and central regions by 30%. South and west by 56%. Overall by 41.4%. So the sentiments are positive. Industry will grow in double-digit levels, etc. Escorts has gone in for a collaboration with Kubota, manufacturing joint venture with 50,000 capacity. Kubota also manufactures tractors, it seems. The contract manufacturing for Escorts and Kubota products. Kubota product, contract manufacturing for Escort. Production started for Kubota tractors in Q2 FY21 latest. Kubota global channel for Escorts product. Kubota will open up its global channel for Escorts product. So sales of Escorts will become more in the international market. So there was a preferential allotment to Kubota. The transaction has been complete. Escorts hold 40% income investment in that Kubota joint venture. Now, third construction industry. The third construction means backhoe loaders, pick and carry crane and compactors. That went up by 31% in Q2 with reference to last year. That backhoe loaders went up by 44% and compactors went up by 47% and cranes down by 20%. Overall up by 31%. Served industry is up by 31%. Backhoe loaders up by 44%, compactors up by 47%, cranes down by 20%. So we have seen the quarterly results, very good. Annual results, very good. The Kubota joint venture, that also is very good. So, and future outlook is also very good. So tractor volumes especially have helped a lot. Railway equipment division was down earlier. Tenders were not there. Now tenders are likely to come. So all the divisions will perform on all the four cylinders. So Q3 can be better than Q2. That is the expectation. Let us wait and see. But Escorts is an efficient manufacturer and its products are in good demand now, especially after these rains and a great fillip by the central government and probably some state governments also. So let us watch Escorts progress from strength to strength. It's a good company, progressing well. Of course, rains, etc. should help. Government should help. They are helping right now. Thank you.